Hello dear traders, welcome to InstaForex TV channel with me, Kate Stichina. Most currencies are trading in narrow ranges as financial markets in Europe, Australia and Hong Kong are closed on Monday after Easter. Trade volumes are traditionally light in post-holiday markets. Asian markets are also thin. The main market driver is an advance of the US dollar on the back of upbeat fundamentals from the United States, confirming growth of the American economy. On Thursday, retail sales report revealed the strongest consumer activity in 1.5 years in March. As a result, most of major currencies lost ground versus the US dollar. Its index rebounded to nearly 97.50. The index received a boost from preliminary weak indicator of the eurozone's business activity in the manufacturing sector for April. In response, the euro-dollar pair slipped to a weekly low of 1.1230, 1.1225. The dollar-yen pair is consolidating higher at nearly 112.00. Market sentiment on the pair depends on a gradual rise in US 10-year Treasury yields. Since March 5th, the dollar-yen pair has not been able to climb over 112.15, 112.20, so this level could again act as a strong resistance. The dollar-yen pair is sensitive to a series of risky events such as Brexit, the ongoing trade talks between the United States and China, and boosts about North Korea and Iran. These events could set the tone for the pair in the short term. In the early Asia-Pacific trade, the AUD-USD pair was trading lower at near 0.7150. While markets in Australia are closed, news from the United States and China could become driving forces for the currency pair. The two largest global economies are making progress in the trade talks. Washington and Beijing are closer to reaching a compromise and making a long-awaited trade deal. Buyers of the Aussie dollar welcome such developments. Meanwhile, Brent crude rallied to $74 a barrel, which is the new high of the year. On Sunday, US President Donald Trump announced that buyers of Iranian oil must stop these imports, otherwise they would suffer US sanctions. China and India are the biggest consumers of Iranian oil, which were granted waivers. So the risk of a deficit of crude oil is the reason behind the sharp rally in the market. Today, the US trading floors are back to work after the long Easter weekend. Data on existing home sales in the United States is the only important report today. European markets will be open tomorrow. Follow developments in the currency market on InstaForex TV channel. See you later!